In this video, we will explain how to activate a staking plan on the Seed platform. Our staking plans are deposit-based with blocking USDT stablecoins.
Seed offers two types of plans. An automatic plan, also called full reinvest, consists of blocking your USDT on our protocol for 18 months. The profitability obtained is automatically optimized, today 66% at the end of your plan. Namely, the minimum deposit amount is 5,000 USDT.
Another monthly plan, also called monthly rewards, which is a staking plan that allows you over the same blocking period of 18 months, a payment of your interest of 2.8% after 31 days. The minimum deposit amount is 20,000 USDT for this plan.
Okay, now let's see how to activate a staking plan.
Once connected to your Seed account, we will first transfer your USDT, previously deposited in the trading wallet, to the funding wallet. This step is a prerequisite before activating a staking plan.
Go to the Wallet tab from the menu on the left of the screen, then click on the Trading Wallet tab. Appears at the top of the list of your active wallets, namely the USDT in this example. Click on View to open the wallet.
Use the transfer function now. A dialog box appears. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your funding USDT wallet. Validate the operation by clicking on Transfer.
That's it, your USDT are now available in your funding wallet. Now click on the Staking tab from the menu on the left. On this screen, you will see the two staking plans available on the platform.
Choose the desired plan, making sure you hold the required minimum amount of USDT, in which case you will be denied activation. Click on Stake to the right of the row of the plan you want to activate. A dialog box appears and presents the technical details of the staking protocol. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into the staking plan. As a reminder, these funds will be taken from your funding USDT wallet. Then, click on Stake again.
That's it, your staking plan is active. You have the possibility to activate as many staking plans as you wish. Once one of your staking plans is activated, you can track daily earning performance from the Staking tab and the performance block located at the top right.
Are displayed the number of USDT blocked on the platform in staking under the label Assets. Earnings generated in the last 24 hours. The total earnings generated since the foreground activation of staking.
In this example, we show you how your history looks. To view the history, click on View More from the button located on the performance block at the top right of the screen.
All of the subscribed staking plans are then presented in a table containing the amount of USDT blocked, the profits made, subscription and end date, the current status of the plan, staking or claimed. The claim status tells you that your blocked funds as well as the gains generated have been released and transferred to your funding wallet.
The initial capital will have to be re-staked while all the rewards are at your disposal. You are free to transfer them to your wallet trading to make a withdrawal if you wish. Thank you for following this tutorial. We will now discuss the function of withdrawing your cryptocurrency in the next video.